This is so far, I think it's a super cost-effective wireless 3-mode Gasks keyboard mic. From this K99 to today, it still smells good. First, it's very comfortable to type on. There's a metal nameplate on the top, aluminum alloy decoration on the back, a whole strip of RGB lighting effect as an embellishment desk structure. This time, it also uses 6 layers of noise reduction filling. For the shaft, I chose Hyacinth. The sound is clean and crisp, supports 3-mode connection. Every detail is designed very well. For such a multifunctional product, don't rush to place an order. Now, in order to build a good reputation to open the way for the product, the brand has specially taken out a limited inventory of 10,000 Impulse K99s and directly give them to everyone for trial experience.